You've probably seen it in curry, maybe in a wellness tea. But did you know this yellow spice might also help protect your brain, balance your blood sugar, and even support your mood? Let's talk about curcumin, the star compound in turmeric, also known as Ayurveda's herbal aspirin. This video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider before taking supplements. Welcome back to ABC of Supplements, where tradition meets evidence, and we turn your spice rack into a science lab. Curcumin comes from the root of the curcumalonga plant and has been used for centuries in Indian and Chinese medicine to ease pain, support digestion, and fight inflammation. And today, researchers are looking at curcumin for its potential effects on almost everything: oxidative stress, joint pain, depression, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and even cancer pathways. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. Most studies have been done on animals or in lab settings. Human research is growing, but not yet definitive. So while the benefits are promising, they're not magic, and they're not a medical replacement. Still, curcumin does show real potential to support whole body health, thanks to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective properties. If you're dealing with oxidative stress, joint stiffness, or mood swings, this might be worth discussing with your doctor. Now, for the part no one tells you, curcumin has terrible bioavailability. On its own, your body barely absorbs it. But here's how to hack it.
No way. I'm getting hacked.
Heat it. Sipping turmeric in a hot tea or golden milk can improve absorption up to 12 times. Add fat. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so combining it with oils helps. Use black pepper. It contains piperine, which boosts absorption dramatically. For dosing, it's often calculated around 3 milligrams per kilogram of body weight, but there's no gold standard. Start low, especially if you're sensitive. That said, curcumin isn't for everyone. Pregnant women should avoid high doses. Some research links it to increased miscarriage risk. It may also be problematic for people with anemia, stomach ulcers, or those taking blood thinners or NSAIDs like ibuprofen or warfarin. If you're shopping for supplements, look for curcumin with piperine, liposomal curcumin, or nano-emulsified forms. They're far more bioavailable than basic turmeric powder. Quick, real-life tip: next time you're cooking veggies, sprinkle turmeric and mix it with olive oil and a dash of black pepper. You're basically turning dinner into a natural supplement. Fun fact: curcumin is still more commonly used as a spice than a supplement, and in cultures where it's a staple, rates of inflammation-related diseases are lower. Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe nature's been ahead of science all along. If this golden nugget of info sparked your curiosity, do us a solid. Hit that subscribe button so we can keep bringing science to your screen, spice rack, and supplement shelf.